In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps from your app library on iPhone. So if you want to hide an application from your home screen, what you generally do is that you long press on the app and click on remove application and click on remove on from home screen. But if you go to your app library, that app is still going to be there. So let's see how to remove an application from your home screen and equally remove it from your app library. So to do this, open up your settings and then scroll down to the third section of your settings and click on screen time. Scroll down to where you have content and privacy restrictions and click on it. Click on allow apps and features. Here you can hide your inbuilt apps such as FaceTime. Let's hide FaceTime from our home screen. You just need to toggle off in order to hide an application. So here we have FaceTime, where we just need to wait for this to load and it's going to be taken off from our home screen. As you can see, FaceTime has been taken off from our home screen. And also in our app library, we can no longer access it. So now let's see how to do this with third-party applications such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the rest. So to work with third-party applications, you are going to click on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Once you're here, click on Apps. So you don't have the option to manually select a third-party application to hide from your home screen. Rather, you can select an age range, and the applications that are above that age range are going to be hidden. Let's take, for example, 9+. So what happens is that applications that are out of range for 9 years old, they are going to be hidden. As we can see, all social media applications such as Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, they have been hidden. And even on our app library, we can no longer access Facebook and the rest. If we go back to 12+, we just need to wait for this to refresh and we can see some applications came back, but still some other applications didn't come because they are 17+. So you just need to use this method in order to hide applications from your home screen and your app library depending on who is using the phone.